Remove the gold pin to disconnect the roller from the motor. Open the junction box. You will have two transmitter-receiver boards. Press and hold the button on one or both boards until the lights go out. This will clear the memory. If you have two boards, the power lid frame board will be on the left, and the roller motor will be on the right. To program the power lid frame, on the left board, press the button once, the light will flash, then press button A on the remote. To program button B, press the button twice, the light will flash, then press button B on the remote. To program the power roller, on the right board, press the button once, the light will flash, then press button C on the remote. Then, press the button twice, the light will flash, then press button D on the remote. Test the remote. A and B operate the actuators for the power lid frame. C and D operate the power roller for the pull cover. Repeat the process for the second remote, but do not clear the memory, as this will wipe out what you have just done.